Have you ever wondered why fighting viruses is so incredibly tough? I mean, you catch a cold. It's a virus, right? But medicines that zap one virus often do nothing for another. Wouldn't it be awesome if we could just have one pill to fight them all? Well, science might be inching closer to that reality, and it's all thanks to some pretty clever mice. So here's the scoop. Scientists have just tested a new kind of antiviral drug, and it's what they call broad spectrum. Basically, it's like the Swiss Army knife of antivirals. Instead of targeting just one kind of virus, this thing aims to knock out a whole bunch. We're talking RSV, the flu, even nasty threats like Ebola. Sounds pretty wild, right? Let's break it down. Viruses are slippery little things. They invade our cells, hijack the machinery, and start making copies of themselves. Most antivirals work by blocking specific steps in this process. But each virus does its dirty work a little differently, so one medicine can't usually handle them all. That's why you need different drugs for HIV, flu, or COVID. Now, what these researchers did is genius. They found a weak spot that a lot of viruses have in common. A process called cap snatching. No, that's not a weird fashion crime. It's actually how some viruses steal a tiny cap from your own cell's RNA, so their genetic instructions get read correctly. Mess with this step, and you mess with the virus's ability to spread. So, the scientists cooked up a drug that jams this cap-snatching trick. They tested it on mice infected with a bunch of different viruses. And here's the kicker. It worked. The mice got better faster, had less virus in their bodies, and some even survived infections that would normally be deadly. That's a huge deal. But here's the part where I gotta pump the brakes a bit. This is still in the early stages. Mice aren't humans. What works in a furry little rodent doesn't always work for you and me. There's still a lot more testing to do before this could ever reach your pharmacy. But the potential, it's massive. If you love hearing about the science that could change the world, hit that subscribe button and let me know in the comments. What viral villain would you want to see taken down first? Thanks for watching, and stay curious.